Here it is. Let's put it on the car. It's on the drill. The yellow right there.
That's the thing coming off.
I just don't want the yellow to be stuck on there.
It's not just gonna come off. It's not just gonna come off. It's not just gonna come off.
I'm going to be taking all the badges off the back with some fishing line. Alright, one thing we did notice is
It's wearing pretty quickly.
alright, now we're about to wash it off to see what exactly it did to it. Hopefully that yellow stuff isn't permanent. Other side, look at that.
Took the paint with it right here.
So
we
might have to put the side skirts back on. We'll
Alright, honestly, the wheel did not work the way we expected it to go. So we had to put the panels back on.
see the yellow right here.
Yeah, you can see where it took part of the paint.
It took part of the paint off right here, and this was like Amazon's one of the best selling, you know, things.
I mean,
basically, don't ever use this. Amazon sells it, Walmart sells it. It's ABN Auto Body Now 4-inch decal remover. I would not use it. It leaves a yellow residue on everything. It touches, you barely can touch it with a drill, and it leaves a yellow residue. So I wouldn't use it. It's a no-go. Fail.